In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on vanish mode on Instagram so your messages disappear after they're read. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android and tap the messages icon up in the top right corner. From here, go ahead and open up any conversation. In this case, let's go ahead and use this one as an example. Now, there's two methods to do this. The first method is just by tapping on their name up at the top of the chat. And if you scroll down, you're going to see a disappearing messages section. Go ahead and select that. And what you're going to want to do is turn this on. Now, disappearing messages is the new name for vanish mode. Just simply tap it. Choose how you want your messages to disappear, and after they're seen, something like 24 hours or 7 days, it's completely up to you. And after you turn those on, vanish mode is going to be turned on. The second method is just by swiping up in the chat. You'll see a message saying disappearing messages are on. Swipe up again if you ever want to turn it off. But that's it. You now know how you can enable vanish mode quickly here on Instagram. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.